Guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Keely, and you're tuning in to Beauty by Keely. For the ones that have been with me, hi, how are you? And for the ones that's just tuning in, thank you for watching, like, and subscribe to my channel. Hi, how are you? So we are going to start this thing, right? Today is Tuesday, and we're just gonna start a thing called Tutorial Tuesdays on my channel, where on Tuesdays we'll be doing some type of makeup tutorial. So be looking out for that every single Tuesday, okay? If my quality looks a little bit different, it is because I'm actually recording on my Galaxy phone today, my Samsung Galaxy S10. So because I ain't charged my camera, but we gonna get this video out because I can't let Tuesday pass by and not get y'all no tutorial. But we're gonna start with the easiest thing possible, and as this progresses, or as these videos progress, we're gonna get more into different dramatic glitter makeup, you know, stuff like that. So I thought today's video would be great to start with the everyday makeup, no makeup look, or natural makeup, whatever you want to call it, because we're not gonna be doing any eyeshadow. We're just gonna get the everyday today look, okay? So let's get started. So I actually did my brows off camera because I am not a brow guru, okay? I say that all the time, but if you want to know the products that I use the e.l.f. brow pomade in espresso, and I use Milani Conceal and Perfect Long Wear Concealer, and it looks like this. And I use the color that's close to my skin tone, because instead of using a lighter highlight color today, and since we're doing a natural no makeup look, then I wanted to use a color that's closer to my skin tone. So this is in the color Natural Sand, but this is one of my favorite concealers. I love it so much, so I definitely recommend this. So the next step I'm going to do is to go ahead and do my foundation. And so the foundation I'm going to use today, I actually just spilled all over my makeup table. But anyway, I really love this foundation as well, and it is the NYX Control Total Drop Foundation. As you can see, like I said, I spilled it, okay? But guess what? We still gonna use it anyway. Don't care. So I'm going to be taking that and applying it all over my face. It has a dropper on it. That's why it's called the Total Control Drop Foundation. If you just squeeze and it comes out. So I'm going to be applying that all over my face, even on my eyelids, because like I said, you really don't need a highlighting concealer for this makeup look today. And so I am taking my Real Techniques brush, and I'm just going to blend that all over my face. This foundation has really good coverage. I got it from Walmart, so I definitely suggest going to check it out. It is one of my favorites. I will take a beauty blender and go over where I have brushed it in, just to make sure I have it all patted in really well. So I make sure I have that blended in very well. Look at that coverage. Ooh. Now it is time for a highlighter, and the concealer that I like to use to highlight is the CoverGirl 2 Blend Undercover Concealer. I use this all the time as well in the color Golden Amber. This is another one of my favorite concealers. You can get it from Walmart as well. So I'm going to highlight my face, and I'm actually about to be out. I'm about to be out. I need to get some more. And the last time I bought these, I bought like multiples of these, so I don't understand how I'm about to run out already. I'm gonna go down the bridge of my nose, right above my lip, my chin, and also in the middle of my forehead. So even though we're not doing any eyeshadow, I will take a little bit and put on that lid, because I'm going to blend this concealer that I put up under here along on top of that lid as well. I'm going to take another Real Techniques brush. This is the 421, and I really like this brush for blending out concealer. So I'm going to take that and start to blend that concealer all out to my temples and over my eyes, just so it kind of blends seamlessly. And just sort of blending that out. Now you have to work quickly with this concealer because it does dry very fast. But if it does, just take any type of setting spray that you have and just spray your face, and then you'll be able to work with the concealer. So I will keep it in the center of my nose and try to blend that up. And then blend that out in the middle of my forehead. Like, this brush is amazing. It comes in a kit of 5. Real Techniques brushes just all around are amazing. I need to get a couple more kits. So now that I have that blended out very well, I'm going to go ahead and put some powder on. And the powder that I like using is the Milani Translucent Banana Powder. You get this from Walmart as well, but this is definitely one of my favorite setting powders. I love it. Love it, love it. It blends out so seamlessly and so easy. So I will tap it inside of a cap. And I will take a dry beauty blender and dip in there and place it in the places that I have put that highlighter and that highlighting concealer, you know what I mean? So I will also place it over my eye since we are not doing any eyeshadow color. So that way it sets the eye as well, so it does not go to creasing. I'll do that right down the bridge of my nose and everywhere that I had that concealer at, and right in the middle of my forehead. And I'm going to let it sit and bake, okay? So that way it just, you know, sets everything real nicely, okay? You gotta set it, okay? Set it. Don't usually do a cream contour, so I'm just going to take the bronzer that I use all the time and contour my face. And the bronzer that I like using is the NYX Professional Makeup Matte Bronzer. And it comes from Walmart as well. You open it up, and it's just like this, and this is in deep tan. So I'm going to take my angled brush or any angled brush that you have. I think this is from Crown Brushes, the BK 32 angle brush. Don't quote me on that. I don't know. Just take an angle brush, okay? And then dip in it, and you're gonna start the hollows of your cheek and just build that color. I do it from the hollows of my cheeks, and I start to build all around my face. And so we're bringing this color back to my face that was taken away from the powder and the foundation. Move that hair, get out of the way now. Nobody got time. Get out of the way. So all the way around the forehead. Oops, I've seen that come up, whatever. I'm gonna fix it. I do take another brush, and it's like a flat, let me find it, hold on. I take a brush that looks like this. Don't mind the writing on my hand because I had errands to do earlier, okay? Let's switch hands. So it is like this, and this is from Luxie. This is actually a large shader brush, but I like to dip this in the bronzer so it's easy to go down the sides of my nose. Place that right at the top. And right together, you'll start to work down and also work to the edge of your eyebrow. You're going to take that color that you placed right there, and you're going to work it down the sides of your nose so you can have a nice snatched nose, okay? Snatch. Gotta snatch some noses, honey. Snatch the noses. And just keep working and blend that, okay? Next, I'm out of my nose real quick. We have done all that and let that powder sit, I'm going to take my Real Techniques. This is the 403 brush, and it's like an angle brush as well. We're just gonna dust that excess powder that we left sitting on our face there off. And this brush makes it so much easier to brush off. Like, look how easy that powder just comes off. That's why it's one of my favorites. It just kind of like flows right off of the skin. And just kind of blending everything into each other. Face looking good. Period. If y'all see me keep looking over here, it's because like I'm used to my camera being over here, and now y'all are over here. So I'm just like, where do I look? That we're going to do is put on blush just to bring some little rosiness back to your face. And the blush palette that I like using is from Mascara. It's actually the Sculpting Expert 2 palette, and it has your highlighting shades, your contour shades, and then it has your blush shades. And I done had it for a while. I cracked it. See, don't look at that, okay? So this is my favorite blush shade right here to use. It's just really nice for spring and also the winter. So I will take another angled brush. This is by Flower, as you can see, but it's angled, and I will just dip into there, smile, and I will put the blush on the apples of my cheeks and work it into that bronzer, contour, whatever you want to call it, and just go up. So it's like a nice transition into it. Rosy, real rosy. So using the same palette, I'm actually going to pick this shimmery highlighting shade right here and use it as my highlighter for today. And I'm going to be using the Real Techniques. This is the 402 brush, and it's like a small fan brush, but it's really good for highlighting. So I'm going to take that and put it on the edge of my nose and highlight the top of my cheek with it. Yeah. A glow there. You do however much highlight you want. Okay. And I will highlight my cupid's bow, which is that dip that's above your lip. Okay, so y'all will know the dip above your lip. It's looking real nice right there. Let's brush a little bit right there. Okay, so the next thing that I would do, because we are basically done with the face, is going to do my lips. Actually choose any brown liner of your choosing, whichever you want to use, but I use the Appeal, and this is a gel liner actually in the color Desert Taupe, and it's like a brown color, but this is like my favorite color to use to line my lips. So I will do like a little X first, and then kind of connect the lines to the edge of my lip. And then just start to shade across the bottom. Like that. And I will rub it together so that it is nice and blended. Because we are going to take a nude color, of course, and put in the middle of this lip, okay? So I'm actually going to choose the Crayon Face Cosmetics and Clean Kisses. I'm going to choose their lip gloss today. And open it up and just place that right in the middle. Because I'm going to rub it together. So that it kind of looks like a gradient effect type lip. And if you do get some where you don't want it, just go back with your liner. and fix it. Now I know y'all not thinking that we just gonna leave it look like this, because this is nice and all, but honey, you need some lashes, okay? You need some lashes, and you need lashes from my lash line, okay? I will put it right here, and I will link it in the description box down below, Keely'sAccessories.com. Support your girl, shop with me, okay? I have an amazing deal going on right now. All of my 25mm lashes are $5 for the rest of the holidays, and my natural ones are $3, so check that out. That I'm using today is self-made, and it's kind of like an integrated lash, but when I tell you, I have reworn these lashes so many times. Like, you can definitely reuse these so many times. They're such great quality, and they're full, they last. I love these. Telling you will not be disappointed, okay? So how I have been putting on my lashes lately is that I have purchased the Kiss Lash Liner Adhesive, and I will be adding liner adhesive to my line in just a little while, so stay tuned for that. Go follow my business page on Instagram and on Facebook, Keely's Accessories as well. I will put it right here so you won't miss anything. But I will definitely put this on the top of my eye, and it makes it so easy to stick the lashes on. So you put this on just like eyeliner, and it literally does not take long at all. Then you take the lash and you pop it on. With your lash, without the lash. Bad bitch, basic bitch, okay? Get you a pair. Like, period, okay? Period, poop. Once I have those on, I will take a mascara, and this is the one that I like using. It's the Luminous Distraction Mascara, and I will make sure that I blend my lashes in. Together. So I will take this mascara and I will create myself some bottom lashes, just to give your eyes a really nice look. So basically that is, look, the last thing I will do is take, this is from Black Radiance. It's the matte setting spray, mattifying setting spray, and I will spray my face. And then it gets in your mouth. Don't do that. But that, I'm about to choke. Oh, I'm about to choke. But that is it, you guys. That is the finished look. And the more you do this look, of course, the quicker you get. So, and this is great for every day to day look. I do this look all the time in the exact same way that I just showed y'all. If y'all like it, then please drop me a comment, hit the thumbs up button, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Let me know if you like this tutorial. Bye.